Hello everyone. Plantek is a company which provides customized automation solutions for manufacturing sector. We develop concepts and machines for different type of industrial specific requirements. Our core strength is in machine design, product development, industrial automation, robotics and IIoT-based process development. Our expertise extends in areas like pick-and-place systems, loading and unloading systems, vision and inspection systems, assembly automation, robotics integration and other special-purpose machines. Some of our executed projects. Our manufacturing and service sector is actively providing manufactured components for assemblies based on customer design, electrical control panels, PLC programming services, machine integration and maintenance services, 3D printing, prototyping, design and drafting services, and process developments. Our customer segment includes automotive and components manufacturing industries, EV sectors, agriculture technology, machine tools and R&D for product development. Our valuable clients are Indo, MIM, New Horizon Engineering Limited, DR Technologies, Polo Suit, Malnad Spices, Ranga Chemical and Engineering Associates, Ava Krishi, the National Institute of Engineering, R&D Wing, Heron Electronics, Coolwatt, VK Multi-Tech. Thank you.